learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Hakka training on ICRT. This whole month, we're taking you to Taichung Dongshi. And to get there, we take the train to Fengyuan and transfer. This area is also known for its wood crafts, and we're going to find out more about the history behind it. 今天持续带大家到台中东市区哦。来到这儿呢，要先坐火车到丰原，再来转车。而今天 Leo 呢，会来介绍这边当地的伐木历史哦。Hi Leo，
嘿，
我们现在来到东市区啊，这边据我所知啊，就是伐木工业啊，当时非常兴盛啊，一定有它的原因在，对不对？
那是清朝雍正的时候，这边要组一个船队，所以需要很多的战船嘛，然后那时候就需要很多的人力来伐木，那就很多人就带着各自的守护神就来了。
哦，了解，早期都是木头做的嘛，
对对啊，
不像现在是钢铁。
对啊，后来他们渐渐这些人就离开了，但是呢，这些守护神还留下来啊，所以他们就建了巧圣先师庙，就来祭拜这些守护神。那其中就有我们的鲁班先师
啊，了解。那这样子的话，只要是跟木头制造业的人，应该都了解这一点吧？
那当然，所以我们国内很多的建筑系啊，或者是相关的科系的学生都要来拜这个巧圣先师庙了。可是拜这个庙呢，有一个特别的祭祀的方式哦。
OK，
就是那个所有的学生就要经过那个方圆规矩的一个木雕。
OK。
然后呢，就再来转动有个墨斗
哦，这好传统的东西。
对啊，好，转动墨斗之后呢，再把你的护身符啊，然后香炉前面绕过之后呢，那才算完成这整个祭拜的程序。
哦，了解。你知道想当年啊，我差点进入建筑系耶，
真的。
所以我们一起去参观，感受一下好不好？
好，我们走
Let's go.
Taichung's Dongshi district is much like the mecca of the construction industry in Taiwan. Before the once thriving lumber industry and shipyards slowly disappeared, the lumberjacks and carpenters enshrined effigies of Lu Ban, the carpenter saint, in the Qiaosheng Xianshi Temple. This 200-year-old temple has become the main place of worship for all kinds of construction and craftsmen, from carpenters to roofers to masons. Every year, craftsmen and students come to pay their respects to this guru of construction, and the temple has grown to include saints for smiths and other crafts too.
好，那我们现在来教大家一些客家话喽。
好，
包括这边很多木匠，对不对 ？Carpenter，
木兄
，OK，that's 木匠。然后很多木匠师傅嘛 ，right？The masters，all right， 师傅怎么说？
死夫。
all right，that does today's Hakka training on ICRT。
什么太嘎？
按字 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.